Yeah, I'm gonna make a little video of my makeup. I did something different today. It's green. Hooray. I haven't made a video in a while for makeup. But it probably isn't focusing. It looks really cool in person. It's, I'll list it later. But the dark green color is not even MAC. It's NARS Night Porter. I need to do my nails. Which I never do. I never do my nails. But, right, they're green. Yay! I might make my lips darker because I think they're a little, I don't know. I don't like them this light. Anyway, hi. Hope everyone's doing well, having a good weekend. And I'm off to work. I'm gonna go babysit for some drunk Peach. I'm gonna hate this video. I'm so inarticulate. I was up early this morning and now I've got to go work all night. Shoot me. Yeah, it looks better from back that way. Alright, I will post this later, I guess. Ooh, I look like a heifer. Bye.